So hello guys, welcome back Logic Mode, and today we see the LeetCode problem of the day, maximum length substring with the two occurrences. But before starting, one important thing is I did not uploaded the yesterday solution for some emergency, but don't worry, I will try to upload the yesterday solution in 2-3 days. Okay, so let's we see the today's POTD, and the today's POTD is a given a string s, written the maximum length of a substring such that it contains at most two occurrences of each character. What is mean? Question given a string and the string sizes must be less than equal to greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 100. Okay, and string contains all lower English letters. And what is the target and what is the goal in our question? We need to return the maximum length of a substring. Okay, so what we do, we return the maximum length of a substring such that it contains at most two occurrences of each character. Suppose if we see the example first, the string contains some characters b, c, b, b, c, b, a. Okay, and if we choose these substrings b, c, b, a, and if we see the frequency of all character in substring, b frequency is 2 and c frequency is 1 and a frequency is 1. Okay, so if we check condition, the all element of substring is must be less than equal to k, they follow condition. Okay, and if we take the length of this substring length is the 4, so in case my answer is 4. And if we see the example second contains some characters a. And if we check frequency of a, the frequency of a is 4. But the question say choose a substring such that it contains at most two occurrences of each character. Okay, so if we choose these substrings a and a, okay, so and if we check the frequency of character, the frequency of character is less than equal to 2, means at most 2 frequency. Okay, so this substring size is 2, so we choose this substring and the size is 2 return. Okay, the question give a string, the string contains some characters a to z. Okay, and the string sizes must be greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 100. Okay, the all characters are lowercase. Simple. Okay, first we understand what is substring. What is substring? Suppose I have a string A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, what is a substring? A substring, it is a non-empty sequence of characters. Suppose if I choose this is a one substring, A, B is a one substring, A, B, C is a one substring because this is a contiguous sequence. Okay, B and C is also be a substring, D and E also be a substrings. But if you take A and D, it is a not a contiguous sequence because between A and B, A and D, B and C also be present. But we directly take A to D, this is a not a contiguous sequence. Okay, but if we take D, E, F, G, it is a contiguous. If we see in substring, it is a contiguous elements. Okay, so we say this is a substring. Understand? Now let's move forward. Okay, what is the goal in our question? The main goal is we need to find maximum length of valid substring. What is valid substring? Valid substring means the all character frequency is must be less than equal to 2. If they follow this condition, we say the present given substring, present substring is a valid substring. Okay, if we see the brute force solution, okay, if we see the brute force solution, what is the brute force solution? We generate all substring and we track one, we use the map data structure and track the frequency of all character. Okay, so how to generate all substring? Using two loops. For in I initially 0 to less than n, and the second loop is starting from j is initially I to j less than n, generating all substring. And every time we use map data structure for handling a frequency. Okay, in case map we also use the vector of 26 size because uh, the lower English letter, if you see, the maximum 26. So we use vector and the size of the vector is 26. Every time what we do nothing, we increment the frequency of the character s of j suppose, and check if the MP of s of j is must be follow the condition. What is the condition? The frequency of the character is must be less than equal to k. Yes, we say this is the valid. So what we do, we take answer max of the answer j minus I plus 1, they give the length of the substring. Okay, if they fail the condition, what we do, other case, we do nothing, we break and we try other substring. Okay, and at the end what we do nothing, we return answer. But on this question, this solution is work because the constant is very low. We see the n is must be greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 100. But can we further optimize the solution? Yes. How? So we discuss optimal solution. We use in case sliding window. How? Suppose I take first example, string s is equal to, okay, what we do, I is initially 0 and j is starting also be 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I also take one map data structure. They maintain the frequency of all characters present window. Okay, so I'm on her. What we do nothing, we increment the frequency of b1. Okay, and I also check the frequency of all character in map. Yeah, if the frequency of present character is also less than equal to 2. Yes, so what we do nothing, I update answer and I take always max answer. Okay, of j minus I plus 1. So what is the meaning of j minus I plus 1? Suppose the j is on 0th index, I is also with 0 index. So j minus I plus 1 means 0 minus 0 plus 1 means one length substring. Okay, this is one length substring. Now what we do? With j increment by 1, we see the character of C frequency is 1. We check, yes, the present character frequency is must be less than equal to 2. Yes, and what we do, we take maximum length. So the present substring length is 2, so we update my answer. The answer is 2 j plus plus, and what we do, we increment the frequency of b by 1, and if we check they follow the condition. Yes, so what we do, we take maximum length. The present substring length is 3, so the maximum length is 3. Now my j is comes on her and the b frequency is 3, and this is not a valid condition because if we check all the character frequency, the b frequencies must is greater than equal to 10, so they validate my condition. So what we do, at any case, my condition failed. At any case my condition failed. What is condition? The condition is must be less than equal to 2. The frequency of all characters must be less than equal to 2. In case what we do, we shrinking the window. What is the meaning of shrinking? Means we increment the I pointer. Okay, so what we do, the I initially 0 means I is point on her. So what we do, we I move, and now my current window is this character is exclude from my window. Okay, so what we do, we decrement one frequency, so now the frequency of the b is 2, and if we check the frequency of b is must be less than equal to 2. Yes, so what is the length of present substring? So you check the length of present substring is 2. Yes, but we have already maximum length, so we not update the answer variable. Now what we do, j pointer we increment by 1, then we see the b frequency is 3. They not follow the condition, so what we do, we move the j pointer j plus plus, and what we do, and they see we exclude in my window, so the frequency of j is 0. Okay, but if we see b is also be sorry, But if we see the present substring, all characters frequencies also fail my condition. So in case what we do, we j increment the frequency one is reduced, the frequency of b reduced by 1. And if we see the b frequency is less than equal to 2, yes, so present window size is 2, but I have already maximum length. Okay, so what we do, j plus plus. Now the frequency of j is what, the frequency of j is 1, and it is also be less than equal to 2, and the current window size is 3. I have already maximum length. Okay, so j plus plus, the b frequency is 3, b frequency is 3, it is greater than equal to 2, they not follow the condition. So what we do, we increment I plus 1, and what we do, the frequency of b reduced by 1, so 2. Okay, they follow the condition, yes. So the present substring window size is 3, I have already maximum. So what we do, we increment by j plus 1. Okay, and a character is 1, and if you see all element frequencies must be less than equal to 2, yes. So present window size is what, 4, we take maximum, so the answer variable is updated by maximum value, and the maximum value is 4. And at the end my j is after bound, and we break the loop, and at the end what we do, we return answer variable. Okay, so what we do, if you see the algorithm, we do nothing. Initially my I is initially 0, and j is also be initially 0. Okay, if at any point my condition fail, okay, in case what we do, we move I pointer, otherwise we move j pointer, and we track also all frequency. Okay, using map, data structure, or vector. The size of the vector is what, 26, because the small character, if you see a to z, is only 26 characters. Okay, and if you see the time complexity of this solution is of n, and if you see the space complexity is what, if we choose vector, so 26 time complexity, sorry, space complexity means of 1, int n is the size of the string, and we choose vector frequency of 26 size. Now answer is initially 0, int I is also be initially 0, for int j is initially 0, j less than n, and j plus plus. Every time what we do, the frequency of a's of j at index, we increment the frequency by 1, and y I less than j, and n mp of a's of j character frequencies must be less greater, if they greater than equal to 2, means greater than 2, means they fail the condition. So what we do, in case we move ith pointer, so the frequency of a's of I e decrement by 1, and I plus plus, and we take maximum answer j minus I plus 1. Okay, and at the end what we do nothing, we return answer. If you run, sorry, frequency, okay, all sample test cases passes successfully, and we try to submit. Okay, all hidden test cases also be passes. And if we see the time complexity is, we traveled only one time in our string. And if we see the time complexity, is of 1. Why? Because the vector size is fixed 26 size. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt and question, please leave comment. Thank you.